Good morning, students. Myself Anup Kumar. I am again here, dear, and it is my second video of this chapter, okay, and second video of this week also, three-dimensional figure. So, students, in previous class we have already discussed about the properties of prism and pyramid. So, today we will discuss about the Euler's relations for three-dimensional figures. Okay, students. So, let's see Euler's relation. The formula is f minus e plus v is equal to 2. What does f, e and v mean? F means face, e means edge and v means vertex. Okay dear. So if you will subtract face and edge and then we will add vertex, then it will be surely equal to 2. How? Let's see about the figure also dear. First, verification of Euler relation for cube, cuboid and prism. So first, cube or cuboid. We know that in cube or cuboid, both the face edge is 6 or 6, edge is 12 and vertex 8. Okay. Let's check it here. This is cube. Okay. Now, f minus b. f 6, e 12 and b 8. So 6 minus 12 minus 6 plus 8, it will be 2. You can see, same. Okay. It means this is the Euler's relation satisfied the cube or cuboid. Okay. Now, triangular prism. We have just discussed the face edge 5, edge is 9 and vertex 6. You can see here. Okay. Now students, let's prove it. F minus B. Now F5, edge 9 and vertex 6. 5 minus 9 minus 4 plus 6 2. Again you can see it also satisfies the Euler's formula. I hope that you all have understood. So let's discuss some more. Now students, now we will discuss that how to say that square prism. Okay, let's just proof square prism for Euler's formula. We know that in square prism face edge are 6, edge is 12 and vertex 8. You can see the figure also. Okay, face edge 6, edge is 12 and vertex 8. It is also looked like a we can say a box. Okay, now so we can say here 6 minus 12 plus 8. We will put the value. So 6 minus 12 minus 6 and plus 8. Again 2. It's again satisfy the Euler's formula. Now, pentagonal prism. So in pentagonal prism, face edge will be 7, edge is 15 and vertex 10. You can see the figure also here. It is pentagonal prism. Okay. Whose base are pentagonal. And then 5 rectangular face. So here faces are 7. Because 5 rectangular faces, 2 pentagonal face and edge is 15. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 edge and vertex 10. 5 here, 5 there. Okay, now let's prove it also. So we know that f minus b, e plus b. So 7 minus 15 plus 10. 7 minus 15 minus 8 and plus 10, 2. Again it satisfied the Euler's formula. Okay. Friends, a right prism having each of the base a polygon of n side. If you are taking a right prism, okay. So in this case, the formula we can say, because we know that the only base will change, then it will form some rectangle also in middle. Okay, dear. So if you will multiply, if we will take the polygon of n side, then we have to multiply it with 2 and rectangles, n rectangles. Okay. So it will be 2 plus n. Okay, then number of edges 3 into n. Okay, and then you can see here number of vertex 2 into n. Okay dear, this is the formula. Now we have to prove it, Euler's formula. So face, in face we can put 2 plus n, in edge we can see put 3n and in vertex 2n. So you can see here 2 and 2 plus n minus 3n minus 2n plus 2n. 2n and 2n will cancel because it is minus plus. So we will again get 2. It means it also satisfies the Euler formula. So we can say here that in any solid figure we can verify the Euler's formula. Okay dear. Now verification of Euler's relation for pyramid, because prism we have done. Now triangular pyramid. We know that in triangular pyramid the faces will be 4, edges 6 and vertex 4. Okay. So you can pyramid. Okay. Now let's satisfy the Euler's formula here. Face 4, edge 6 and vertex 4. 4 minus 6 minus 2, then plus 4, again 2. Again satisfy the equation. Now square pyramid. In a square pyramid we know that face edge 5, edge 8 and vertex 5. You can see the figure again. Okay, you can see square face 1 and 4 triangular face, edge 8, 4 here, 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8, and vertex 5, 4 here and 5 is apex. Okay dear. Now let's satisfy the Euler formula. 5 minus 8 plus 5. So 5 minus 8 minus 3 plus 5 2. Again we have proved it. Now pentagonal pyramid. If the face is 6, edge 10 and vertex 6. You can see this is pentagonal pyramid here. Okay. So let's satisfy the equation. 6 minus 10 plus 6. 6 minus 10 minus 4 and then plus 6 again 2. It means for any solid pyramids we have also proved the Euler's formula. So if we will take the pyramid whose base is a polygon of n side, then we can say the number of faces will be only one polygon, base and n rectangles. It will depend upon the sides. Okay. So 1 plus n we can say will be the number of face. The number of edges 2 into n. We will multiply with 2. Okay. And the number of vertex n plus 1. Okay dear. Let's satisfy the Euler's formula. 1 plus n face, edge 2n and the vertex n plus 1. It will be 2 minus 2n plus 2 and again 2n will cancel. Then 2 only. So it is also satisfied the any polygon dear. Polygonic pyramid. Okay dear. So now you have to do some assignment work at your home. In R.S. Sarwal book you have to do exercise 19b, question number 1 to 5. Okay dear. So thank you.